There it is, people. Check this out. This is a 3D printed lure from a former student of mine, and he wants me to test it out. Tighten up a little bit. I think I gotta reel a little faster. What do we got? Little bass? Heck yeah. It works, baby. Heck yeah. It worked. Nice. All right. First bass with it. What do you think? Make one lap? One lap around the pond and see how many fish we can catch with this. This pond has largemouth, no pike, no muskie, nothing like that. I didn't want to get snapped off on this lure that a former student gave me. So we'll just do one lap. Oh, there we go. All right. Nice. Yeah. All right. Hey, these hooks are sharp. Hey. I just grab you. Nice. I think I gotta be faster with that guy. Nice. It basically floats. It's almost buoyant. It's a little slow fall, but yeah, it swims. There's a natural swim jerky pattern. There we go. Right on the edge. All right. All right. Dude, I used that like a jerk bait that time. Nice. All right. Ugh. That was like a jerk bait. All right. That's cool. Dude, that's cool. 3 fish. It's not a fluke when you get to 3. I think I'm going to go for 5. But this is the best one yet. Yeah, let's go. Nice. We are catching fish. Nice. There we go. All right. Come on, buddy. Heck yeah. Yeah, give it to me. Oh yeah. Just keep getting a little bit bigger. You gotta love it. Nice. 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 You gotta love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Little guy. He swiped it and got the business. Yeah, he swiped at it and got the business. Yeah. All right. Oh well, that's what happens. You got what we swipe, you get the biz. Kind of got pushed in shallow there, didn't I? All right, all right. Ah, darn. Yeah, bite. There, he came back. All right. Hey. Yeah. Yes. Here we go. Oh man. Hey. It's catching, baby. It's catching. There's my exit. You can't tell, but if you go in there, that's my exit. Nice. What do we get? 5, 6 bass? That was awesome. It works. It's a shallow crankbait. It's like a shallow swim crankbait design. Very cool. It's got only a few things that maybe I'd look at trying to adapt. This flap would get caught on the back hook sometimes. That's about it. And then if they want to make a deeper diver, they could add some weight to it or change the lip. But if you want to buzz stuff shallow, this thing's pretty sweet. It works. Nice job. Thanks for sending me this lure. I mean, if this is your first lure design, you got something going on, man. That's awesome. Look, you see my little chopper marks? Got some bites in there. Nice.